In my experience, when it comes to pensions and stock market investment and portfolio growth, there are several things all people actually want. They want to know what to do in simple terms and easy to follow processes, because not all approaches are suitable for everybody. Some people want to be very hands-on, others just want to be given a flow chart to follow. They want the data and information at their fingertips. They don't want to be sifting through tons of it. They don't want to be overwhelmed with lots of information so that they're confused and they don't know where to look because they don't have much time, of course. They want to smell the roses, spend time with their family. And they want the education to be simple and bite-sized and effectively want one-to-one tutorials. So for that, I stole the Oxford University model where I teach people one-to-one. I also give them, of course, online education and copies for free of my books. But it's the one-to-one education combined with the data and the information which became a game changer. Then we decided, well, we're not going to charge them fees every day, every week, every month, ongoing forever. We're going to let them handle their own money through our education. So they don't even need to be paying us like they would an IFA based on performance or assets under management or anything like that. We then decided, well, why not make 99% of it all free? So we did that as well. Have a look at the link in the bio or go to campaignforamillion.com. Our job is to educate, to inform, and leave you in control of the investing part and save you a ton of time as well. That's the goal. I think we're doing rather good at that goal. Thank you.